Welcome back to the second video. Let's open the pink one. Let's open the pink one. Do you guys like pink? Let's show it to you. It looks like it has hair. This cat. Cat. Okay, where's the cut? Okay, let's cut it. We already know how to open it. If we can't open the bottom, we have to open the top. It still has a shape, but now it doesn't. It still has a shape. This is nothing. What is this? Look.
It's a wrapper.
It's a wrapper. Look like we got a green. Oh, we got a green frog. Let's open this surprise. I think it's gonna be a cake. I feel it very squishy. It's an ice cream sandwich.
Do you remember last time when you got our ice cream sandwich?
Yeah, I did not finish it. I got tons. One is like this. I had one exactly the same. It has chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Let's check out the frog. We have a sticker. Why in the other one we have no sticker? We can name the frog. Is it smooshymushy? Well, let's see what kind of cake. We got a pink and the green. Got two. Baby is taking something. Okay, now let's close it. Look at that. The frog. Let's check what frog is it. It's the froggy frog. It's right here. What is this? What's the name of the frog? It's the green one.
It's a Faye, Foggy, and Wendy Wafer.
Wafer. Let's squish it and let the ice cream melt. Squish, 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 squish. This one, he can hold it. And look at this sticker. Should we stick it? Where should we stick the sticker, guys? It has two lines in the back that you can open, but I'm not going to open it now. So, should we stick it here? Okay. We also got another flyer. We still need it because we need to check. But this one is in the big one. This one's in the big flyer. This one you can also play. Let's go to the next video. Bye-bye. Welcome back to the third video. We're opening the proposal set. Let's open. Look. Let's see. How do we open this? It's frozen. Last time we got a frog and the other one we got a rainbow. We got a rainbow and the cake pop, right? Why is this not opening? Oh, we got the other package. It broke. I guess we had to find another way then. We'll have another way to open. We'll never stop opening these forever. Na, 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 na. Okay, let's open it. We still have the package. You take it off, please. Oh, it's super squishy. We got
What's that?
this sticker. What is it?
I don't know.
We can also name the other one.
Yeah. You name it Ashley?
No. Ashley's my little girl. Okay, let's name it Ashley. Do you have a pen?
No, later.
Where's the little one? Oh, it's right here. I think it's a cookie. I see its face. I see the face. I think it's a cookie because I see its face. No, it's a heart. It's a heart cake. No, it's a heart. What is this? What is this? It's a heart. Let's take the flyer. You read the name for me. Is this one? Which one is this? We can
Minnie Monkey and Robin Rainbow.
Is this Minnie Monkey and Robin Rainbow?
Yeah.
Another piece of rainbow. Rainbow.
Well, today is raining outside and then
We can't
maybe
go to
rainbow.
play.
Today is a rainy day, rainy Sunday.
Is there any rainbow in Macau?
Yes, there are. As always, if there's rain, you got a chance to see a rainbow.
But I never seen one in Macau.
Because most of the time when there's a rain, we stay indoor. Right? 2 days ago, there's a rainstorm and we have to stay at home with no school.
But it's only a bit. Okay, let's put it back. The chain in here is covered. Now let's put these two squishy and say bye to you. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes, let's look at the old ones too. Where's the fifth one? Oh, it's right here. Okay, we got 5 here. Combine all the purple ice cream, the blue ice cream, the pink ice cream. Oh, the purple drink and the pink drink. This one was new. This one is old. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Hi guys. Welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening Minecraft. Oh, this one is broken. Okay, are we opening this cameraman?
No! You open those packs, you see?
Really? Okay. Look at this creeper. He has broken legs. Okay, let's open this one first. Look at the close-up.
What's this?
It's creepy.
There's Minecraft minifigures. Pick in Minecraft. Spectral damage what? Zombie. And what? Cave spider in wet.
Cave spider. I saw people that hate cave spiders. They're very hard to kill in Minecraft. Look.
You like Minecraft?
Yeah.
Oh, you also play Roblox, right?
Roblox is the better. Have you never played Roblox or Minecraft? Do you like playing Minecraft or Roblox? Comment down below. Do you like playing Minecraft or Roblox? I never play Minecraft. I like Roblox because Minecraft you need money to buy Minecraft. Cave spider. Now it's the piggy in the Minecraft. No, we need the zombie. Zombie! Oh no! An arrow shoot the zombie. It's a baby zombie. Let's open the pig in the minecart. How do you open it? Where's the cake in the Minecraft? That's not the same one. The cake Spidey's gonna eat it. Hey, Gary. Now we got 3 of these here. There's the pig and the minecart. Look, it's so cool to have these. Doesn't matter. We got 3 of these. They're so cool. What's that? Get out. There's the cockroach. Ah! I blocked it. How do you do this? Get out, get out. Fall on the floor by yourself. Bye-bye. That was fun. Oh no, we made it fall down again. The same one that fell down before. Okay, so let's see you on the next video.